Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 15 minutes. Marzipan Lovers. Ingredients: almond powder or finely crushed / blended almonds, icing sugar, rose water. Preparation: in a blender add the almond powder and the icing sugar in equal amounts. If you like it sweeter, add more sugar. If less sweet, add more almond powder. Blend and add rose water in an amount to keep the mixture solid. That is all you need to make delicious marzipan. Then I added some green apple slices, California sun-dried raisin and my chocolate mousse. You can find the chocolate mousse recipe in a previous video. Enjoy these desserts and meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.